हम चलते हैं सरोजनी मार्केट। वैसे यहाँ पे आना बहुत आसान है, यहाँ की कनेक्टिविटी अच्छी है, ठीक है। आप मेट्रो से भी आ सकते हो और आप बस से भी आ सकते हो, और गाड़ी से आना चाहो आपकी चॉइस है। चलो लेट्स गो।
Come on, brother, let's come. We started in Sarojini. As soon as I came, we saw the kurti. From the kurti, we liked the kurti. After that, we also saw some white weapons and so on, which was nice. Shiv's collection varieties are good. If they are visible in different colors, then it is fine. It is good that whoever suits him, go and collect them. Let's talk about a good price. The price is not much. Starting, they told me from 250, right? I had seen some groups that were group tops with winters. That is also fine. His tag mention is the same in starting as above. 150s is fine. The price is not that much and there is a variety of colors. We went ahead and we saw Curtis. What is the current situation? I find this color very attractive, don't you think? All the kurtis were clearly attractive, but they had told us that if it is a kurti worth Rs 200, then Rs 200 is fine. It is very hit, man. It is not based on money, as if you want to buy it, then you can buy it. It is not like that. Fine. Apart from that, I saw more. For a time, I looked good. The collection of jackets, etc. Jackets is also right. Besides clothing, several accessory pieces like jewelry caught my eye. In case you're interested, they too are available for purchase. Afterward, I explored another collection. The design stood out impressively. During a quick trial, I tested the white option. Loved it, but didn't fully suit my taste. On the other hand, he found it appealing. I considered getting something special like this for my mom. Okay, and I saw that was for kids. For kids, I like the bottle right, okay? Because the children in my house are not so many devils. 2 days will be taken for a bottle. The third day will not be taken. Either they will break it or they will tear it apart or they will turn it around. Do something with this bottle. Do something. Okay? I found some things that were also good for kids. Yes. So then I saw Yesbox etc. was fine too. Children's outfits seemed passable, albeit lacking extensive options. Moving forward, we stumbled upon another female-specific section, full of vibrant colors catering to diverse preferences. Achawali A. Sureshni discusses notable shopping destinations, certainly a place to visit. You will find all types of clothes. I am speaking for the females. I have also gone ahead and seen the election of gents, but there is a collection of gents. We will mention whatever it is, as if I am showing something. I had shown the camera rolling. Yes, some Diwali things have also come. You can buy something if you want. There are good things for Diwali too. And then I looked for the boys. The jackets were good. I saw the boys wearing their hoodies and so on. That was also good. What is it with the actually boys that their collection is less, but is as good as it is? One more thing I want to talk about. The thing is that you can't bargain much in the boys' clothes. Then I saw something here, some suits. I saw some which were bridal suits. Were good and you can't bargain in the collection of boys. If you do, they won't even call you. That happens. And then I saw it and it felt even better. The collection of boys was as good as I saw. And well, I tried something that worked for me. And the one who is my friend is the one who is the most powerful. The collection of two male and male is less. There is not so much in it. Alright. So we will give it a 5 out of 4. And okay, thank you, bye bye. See you again.
Generate by AI.